The Tesla Model 3 is a groundbreaking electric sedan that blends performance, technology, and efficiency. Available in rear-wheel drive, long-range, and performance variants, it caters to a wide range of drivers. The long-range model offers over 350 miles on a single charge, while the performance variant delivers a thrilling 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just over 3 seconds. With a minimalist design, the interior is centered around a 15-inch touchscreen that manages nearly all vehicle controls, creating a futuristic and uncluttered cabin. In addition to its clean aesthetics, the Model 3 is packed with advanced features such as autopilot, a suite of driver assistance tools that enhance safety and convenience. Over-the-air updates keep the car up to date with the latest software improvements and even add new functions over time. The vehicle's low center of gravity, thanks to the floor-mounted battery, ensures agile handling and a planted feel on the road. Regenerative braking boosts energy efficiency and supports a smooth, one-pedal driving style. Comfort and practicality also shine in the Model 3, with a spacious cabin, premium materials, and surprising storage capacity including both a trunk and a front trunk. Entertainment options like music streaming, video apps, and in-car games add fun to your downtime, making it more than just a car, it's a tech-savvy lifestyle choice. The Tesla Model 3 continues to be one of the best-selling electric vehicles worldwide for good reason. Subscribe my channel for more videos.